I once made myself a promise that I would never do commission work. Not because I didn't want to build for other people, but because I didn't want this to turn into something that I didn't love anymore. Today I'm going to break that promise. But how do you sustain a career building things without actually selling something? And my solution was to start a YouTube channel and to start a Patreon. The combination of documenting my process and monetizing the videos and having fan support allowed me to sustain a career without actually selling anything. But then a couple weeks ago, Digital Spaghetti reached out. That is the YouTube channel from Patreon. And they said they need a new table for their studio. And I'm a big fan of the channel and of course a big fan of Patreon because, again, they allowed me to have a career without commission. And it was kind of this full circle moment. And I really wanted to be a part of this. And I said yes. I had so much fun building this table. And I realized I actually don't think I'm opposed to doing commission work. I was just scared to disappoint. I was scared that I couldn't live up to the expectation. But for the past 10 years, I've been building something every week. And I think getting so much practice and getting my actually more than 10,000 hours in I've grown more confident in my work. But the biggest takeaway of this is it's about who asks you to build something for them. And Digital Spaghetti asking me to build a studio table is not even a commission really, it's more like a collaboration. And that I can do. So maybe it's time for me to open that up. This table lives in the new Digital Spaghetti studio now, and I'm very, very proud to be a little part of this. And I'm excited to see all the interesting people sitting at the table, all the good interviews and all the, inspiring conversations that are going to take place at a table that I built. Makes me proud.
We're about to walk into the Digital Spaghetti studio and see the custom desk by Kampf for the first time. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Oh God. Oh, it's for the laptop so we can watch the screen together. What's this? Is that a mouse for the... Oh my God, and it has the built-in... Oh my God, it's like a full custom desk. This is sick. Oh, and it's got a headphone mixer. Oh my God, this is so sick. This is the coolest desk. Oh my God. I didn't know it was gonna have all this custom shit. So you can turn up master volume here. We can turn up our individual headphone volumes there. The laptop goes here. Does this actually work? Come on, is that a real mouse? It's a real mouse, so we can press play and stop and control the screen from here. This is so sick. I can't believe how sick this is. It's a self-elevating desk? Wow. And I love the color. It works with the set. Just like getting better and better. This is so exciting. This is amazing. I love it.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed the realization that I may be no longer afraid of commission work. And I'll see you next week with a new video.